Hi guys, this is Vidisha Vitlani and welcome to Aussie's group. And I'm back with the vocab pop-up for the day. There are three words. The first word is snide, S-N-I-D-E. What does snide mean? Snide is when used as an adjective, simply means when you do something in a mocking way is snide. For example, not in a very good way. So for example, she made snide comment on the artist. Okay. Snide is also a person who is not very pleasant, but I believe snide is better off to use as an adjective. The second word for the day is colossal. Colossal means gigantic, colossal means huge, colossal means large. Again, it's an adjective. For example, there was colossal wastage of money by the government. Okay, and the third word is zenith. Zenith means the peak, is the highest point, is called as the zenith. So the artist was at the zenith of his career. Okay, so three words for the day: snide, colossal, and zenith. I hope this was useful to you, and thank you.